Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPXS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from, and talked about how there are some signs of bullishness today. Now, did I have any idea that it would gap up as much as it did? No, I'm not saying that. But as I talked about in the video from Tuesday, there were some signs of bullishness and definitely got the gap up here. So first going to do a little house cleaning, just get rid of these lines. Sure, those levels pertain. They're not really relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because you have lines everywhere. But let's try to keep this as clean as possible from that point of view. But the first update that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support, and that is exactly what played out here. So, I mean, you could literally throw this right into a textbook if you wanted to, but again, right here was resistance, but with the price getting above it, you would want to see it act as support, and when the price rolled back over, I mean, a thing of beauty right there, found support and bounced right off that area there at 1170. So in the near term now, 1170, I'm not going to call it a do or die level of support, but it's definitely very important because, and I'm not saying this will occur, but if the price were to come down there and then break down below it, what is that doing to the price? Well, that's all of a sudden putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas if the price can maintain above there, that would do a good job of kind of just representing the overall progress that would now be underway. Now, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, nothing fancy or complicated here. It's all about this area right up around $12.15. So $12.15 going to be public enemy number one going forward. And if the price can break up through there, then yeah, at that point, nothing until really up around the 1270s area. But I don't want to get too far ahead of ourselves. Let's just first see if the price can work its way up to the 1215-ish area and get the break of that. But all in all, good solid day. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.